Have you ever wanted to support someone who's stressed but didn't know what to say? In this video, you'll learn natural English phrases you can use when someone is feeling stressed. Feeling run down. You look a little tired today. Are you feeling okay?
I'm okay, but honestly, I feel very run down lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Has it been a busy week?
Yes, extremely busy. Work has been non-stop.
That can really take a toll on your energy.
It does. I wake up tired and go to bed tired.
That sounds exhausting.
It is. Even small tasks feel heavy right now.
Have you been able to rest at all?
Not much. I keep thinking I can push through.
Sometimes pushing through makes it worse.
I know. I'm starting to feel it catch up to me.
Maybe it's time to slow down a bit.
You're right. I really need to take better care of myself.
Stress and balance. How have things been going for you recently?
To be honest, I've been under a lot of stress.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's been stressful?
Mostly trying to balance work and personal life.
That can be really challenging.
It feels like there's never enough time.
Do you feel pressure all the time?
Yes, even when I'm resting, I think about work.
That sounds overwhelming.
It is. I feel tense most days.
Have you tried setting boundaries?
I'm trying, but it's not easy.
Balance takes time to learn.
I hope I can find a healthier rhythm soon.
Taking a break. You've been working for hours without stopping.
I didn't even realize how long it's been.
That usually means you need a break.
You're probably right.
Breaks help your body and your mind.
I forget that sometimes.
Even 5 minutes can help.
Maybe I'll get some fresh air.
That's a good idea.
I feel guilty stepping away.
Rest isn't laziness.
I know, but it's hard to remember.
You'll work better after resting.
Okay, I'll take a short break now.
Feeling worn out. I hope this isn't too personal, but how are you feeling?
Thanks for asking. I've been feeling tired lately.
I noticed you seemed quieter than usual.
Yeah, I just don't have much energy.
Is it because of work or something else?
Mostly stress and lack of sleep.
That makes sense.
I didn't want to complain.
It's okay to talk about it.
I appreciate that.
Please let me know if you need help.
Thank you. That really means a lot.
Talking about rest. Do you want to go out tonight?
I think I'll stay home and rest.
Are you feeling okay?
I'm just very tired.
You've been busy lately.
Yes, I've been pushing myself too hard.
Rest sounds like a good idea.
I'm learning to listen to my body.
That's important.
I used to ignore the signs.
We all do sometimes.
Now I know rest helps me recover.
I'm glad you're choosing yourself.
Me too.
Sleep habits. How has your sleep been recently?
Not very good, honestly.
What's been happening?
I stay up late and can't fall asleep easily.
That must be tiring.
It really affects my mornings.
Do you feel tired during the day?
All the time.
Have you tried changing your routine?
I'm trying to sleep earlier.
That takes practice.
Yes, but I want better energy.
Sleep is very important.
I'm starting to understand that.
Work-life balance. Do you feel like work takes over your life?
Yes, especially during busy weeks.
That can be exhausting.
It feels like I'm always on call.
Do you get time for yourself?
Not enough.
Personal time matters too.
I know, but work feels urgent.
Everything feels urgent sometimes.
That's true.
Have you tried setting limits?
I'm starting to.
That's a good first step.
I hope it helps.
Mental fatigue. You seem a bit distracted today.
My mind feels very tired.
Mental fatigue can be hard.
I've been thinking nonstop.
About work?
Work and personal things.
That's a lot to carry.
It feels heavy.
Have you had quiet time?
Not really.
Even silence can help.
I'll try to give my mind a break.
That sounds healthy.
I hope it helps me reset.
Low energy day. Can we slow things down today?
Of course, are you okay?
I'm just low on energy.
Thanks for telling me.
I didn't want to seem weak.
Everyone has low energy days.
That's true.
We can take it step by step.
I appreciate that.
No problem at all.
It helps to feel understood.
I'm glad I could help.
Encouragement. You look really tired today.
I feel exhausted.
You've been doing a lot recently.
Sometimes it feels overwhelming.
You're handling a lot.
I don't always feel strong.
Strength isn't always visible.
That's true.
You deserve rest too.
I forget that.
Be gentle with yourself.
I'll try.
You're doing better than you think.
Thank you. I needed to hear that.
Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.